Today let us make hot chocolate by pairing chocolate with orange. It is quite a popular pairing combination for desserts.
Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Cocoa. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking.
First, in a pan, take 250 ml of milk. Add 18 g of castor sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of orange zest, taking care to add only the orange part of the peel and not the white. You can adjust the amount of orange zest according to your liking, but I'll suggest start with 1 teaspoon of orange zest. Keep the mixture on low-medium flame and mix with a whisk to dissolve cocoa powder. Once the mixture simmer, add 65 g of good quality chocolate and continue to mix with a whisk on low flame so that our chocolate melts evenly and does not get burned. You can also use orange extract or flavor instead of orange zest, but not orange juice. Once the chocolate has melted, add half tablespoon of cornflour and mix with a whisk so that no lumps can get formed. Alternatively, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk in cornflour, form a slurry, and then add this to our hot chocolate. Cook it in low flame and it will thicken up in few minutes.
Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Also tell me in the comment down below how did you like the recipe.
Once thickened, pour it in a cup. Garnish it with some whipped cream. Sprinkle some grated chocolate and a few strands of orange zest. Our orange flavored hot chocolate is ready to warm you up in this chilling winter. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Cocoa.